So, Android Headlines has just dropped official renders of Samsung's Galaxy Buds 4 and Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And this is our best look yet at what Samsung's next wireless earbuds are actually going to look like. Now, straight away, you'll notice something interesting. The white earbuds you're seeing here are the Buds 4 Pro, while the black ones are the standard Buds 4. But the real surprise isn't the earbuds, it's the cases. Because just like the Galaxy Buds 3 series, Samsung seems to be sticking with a transparent charging case, letting you see the internals inside. And honestly, it's a bold move. You either love it or hate it. But here's the good news. Samsung has ditched the awkward shape from last year and brought back a flat, rectangular case, the kind that actually sits properly on a table, like their older earbuds did. As for the earbuds themselves, both models now come with thinner, flatter stems, giving them a much cleaner look. That said, the Pro model is losing the blade lights, which might disappoint some fans who like that extra bit of flair. Now here's where things get interesting. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy Buds 4 and Buds 4 Pro are expected to offer noticeably better sound quality, and Samsung is also reportedly fixing some long-standing issues, including charging reliability and inconsistent paint finishes. And finally, the official reveal. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy Buds 4 and Buds 4 Pro at its Unpacked event on February 25th, alongside the Galaxy S26 lineup. Other than that, though, we're not expecting any major surprises. Stay tuned for the latest news and updates about Samsung's next earbuds. And make sure to share this video as you can. It's free. Don't forget to activate the bell. Otherwise, you may not receive the video notification when I upload.